So this is the portfolio website I talked about in the last video. If you haven't watched the last video, in that I have explained that how you can get the job in the industry. So make sure to watch it. In this video, I'll give you the complete walkthrough of this portfolio website, and I will also show you that how you can do the editing and how you can download it. I want all of you to have your own portfolio website. In that you have to explain all your work which you have done, and only in that way you will get and create a good impression for getting a job. That's very important. So this is the entire portfolio website we have. So on the left hand side we have this navigation bar. Here you can highlight your name, images, and all the skills you have in particular programming language. You can easily able to edit all of these things, which I will show you. Then you have this hero section. You can replace this image and you can have your, then you can explain your experience, the project you have built, the happy customers, the awards you have achieved, and here you can highlight all the project you have done. Okay, if I scroll down, this is the pricing section. So if you're working consultancy, if you're working like services, then you can highlight your services. This is the recommending sections, and this is the photo you have. So what I will do, I'll come here. If you click here, you will have this navigation bar, and generally I'm going to provide you multiple version of this entire portfolio, so you can pick any one. Okay, so if you click on this column 2, this is how it's going to look. You will have this 2 column. You can easily able to switch back, just switch from different tabs, and you can highlight all your project. So that's how the column 2 would look like. If you come here, if you go to this column 3 we have, and this is how the column 3 would look like. Very beautiful, very responsive, and it's really powerful. You can easily able to switch, and it looks amazing. If you come here, click here, and let's go to the other one. So we have this column Moseri, I don't know how to pronounce it. So this is how it will look, big and nice and beautiful. So it's 100% responsive. I'll show you, just wait. There's a lot of things in this template, so this is just the beginning. So this is the one. Now we have this third one. If I click on this, and this is how it's going to look. It's quite similar, but it has a different styling. So this also looks pretty good. Come here, and here you will have the, what else we have the single profile. If you click on that, this is how the single profile project would look like. So you will have this project, you will have this beautiful slider. You can see it looks absolutely amazing. This is the detail section you have. This looks amazing. This is the client review. If you click on this, no, nothing will happen. And here you will have the happy customer. This is the contact me form, and this is the logo. So let's come here, click on this contact, and this is the contact section. So anybody can come and they can contact, so they can fill out the details, and it's absolutely amazing. If you come here, you will have this one page. If you come to the blog section, in that we have this 3 pages. You can click this column. So that's how the blog section would look like, and you will have this pagination. You can simply navigate to different pages. You can see it's working fine. And let's go to the other one. This is the third one we have. It's a small card, but we are only interested in English. It's very responsive. Here you have the side card, and if you click on this post, and that's how it will look like. You can see it's absolutely amazing. Here you will have the suggested post, and the best part is, let's come back here, and what I will do, let's come click here, and let's go to the home itself. This is the home section we have. Now let's come back to this column 1. Okay, this is how it will look. And once you click on this, it's going to open in this way. So you can simply slide through the images. Right now the image is broken. All you have to do is to replace the images, and this is how it will look. You can see nice and beautiful. If you click here, and here you will have this grid system. Here you will have this grid system. You can simply able to scroll, and you can go to the different pages, and you can click here, and you can automate this sliding process. So it will automatically slide, and it looks beautiful. You can see everything is happening perfectly. So this one is really powerful application we have. You can pause it, and you can zoom it, and you can change it. You can see. So this one is absolutely amazing. I want you guys to come and have this portfolio. It won't cost you a single penny. Simply download and do the editing. So it's 100% responsive. You can see. I want you to come and check from your end. It looks absolutely amazing. And now I can show you the single page. So let me show you how we can do the editing. Okay, so right now it says that ATR. So if I reload, so you can see we have this nice loader as well. You can show your name, and it's absolutely amazing. So let's come here. Let's go back to the VS Code Studio, the core editor, and this is the entire code. So I'm going to provide you this code. All you have to do is to download it, and you have to do the editing. Okay, so if you really want to change the title of that, you can do that. Type Daulat Hussain and save it, and come back to the browser. You can see the name is changed. If I reload the browser, okay, just a moment. So this is for the, I think I have changed the page. Click here and go back to the home section, and you can see the name is changed. Actually this website, this portfolio website has multiple pages. So all of this you can see here in the portfolio. These are the different pages. You can pick any one. So this is the home page, in that I have made these changes. You can see the name is changed, and that's how you can do it. If I want to change this logo or I want to change this text, I can do that very easily. So all I have to do is come here. I have to go up, and for example I want to change the image. So this is the name of the developer, so I can type Daulat Hussain instead of his name. I'll say Daulat, Daulat Hussain Hussain, and I want to change the image as well. So the image is somewhere here. You can see this is the image of that user. So I already have my image here. So this is the image we have. So it's inside the images. I'll simply select that, and I'm going to change it to Daulat. So this is my image. If I save it, come back to the browser, and you can see it will roll the page, and here I have changed the image, I have changed the name. So it's very easy to do the changes in this template. All you have to do is to simply replace all of this content. So if instead of this, discover my amazing art space, you can type something, I'm a Web3 developer. So let's say, let's scroll all the way down. We have to find the section, and you can easily able to convert this into a React template as well. Okay, so let me scroll all the way down to find the place where I have, so I have to go up to find it. This is the experience section, and this is the section. So you can simply type Web3 developer Daulat Hussain. You can type whatever you want. It's your portfolio template. You can write anything. Web3 developer Daulat Hussain. You can replace this text as well. You can click on this explore section, and here you will have the explore section where you can highlight all the project you have done. Okay, and I have already deployed this website on Netlify. You can see it's very easy. Netlify is free. It not cost you a single penny. I deploy this portfolio website to show you that it's free, and all you have to do is to utilize it and make your own. If I click on this, you can see this is the exact website I have deployed here on Netlify, and it's not costing me a single penny. So I want all of you guys must download this one and do the changes, and every single one of you must have your own portfolio website, and that's how you can create impressions, and that's how you can get a job. Personal point of view, that this is how you can make yourself stand away from other ordinary developer, because everybody is developer, everybody know how to write the code, how to build a dApp, but how you represent yourself, that's the quality of the skills, and that's and on that every single industry is relied. If you look at the product, if you look at the clothing industry, how you look, on that people will bet money. Okay, so if you really want to get this template, all you have to do is come here. Let me make it full screen. So this is the article I have written. In this article I have already provided you the complete source code. So let's come here, and all you have to do is to click on this portfolio code. You will get it. So again, let me show you how you can do it. Simply type Daulat Hussain, not images. I'll type Daulat Hussain, and you will find this my website. You can see this is the website I have, and all those resources I uploaded here. And recently I have started the blockchain coder, in that I especially focus to the blockchain courses. Okay, so once you will land up here, click on the blocks. Inside the blocks you will find all the resources, all the code, all the project which I have built. So simply scroll all the way down. This is the template in which you have to click it, and you have to simply get it. Okay, simply get it. So hope this entire thing makes sense, and I want you guys to have your own portfolio. Again, I'm telling you that if you really want to get an internship, all you have to do is to build a portfolio like this, and if someone's HR or if someone wants to hire you, can simply send the link, and they can know everything about you. Okay, he has built this, he know all of these things. No matter how good and bad developer you have, you must have to have this one. Okay, so come and download. It's absolutely free of cost. You don't need to pay any single penny for it, and you will have this portfolio which you can have it and showcase your work. So that's the only thing I want to talk about in this video. Hope you guys have liked it. If you still have any confusion, any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. And at the end, I just want to tell you that you must have your own portfolio website.